a 7-hour city tour shouldn't look like a 7-day expedition. But when your booking system is built around multi-day trips, short activities can feel out of place, with mismatched duration displays and a booking experience that doesn't fit. The Activity Tour booking add-on for WP Travel Engine fixes that with one simple switch. Turn any trip into a dedicated single-day activity and display the duration in hours and minutes. Perfect for city tours, cooking classes, rafting experiences, sunrise hikes, and other short-form activities. Give travelers a booking experience built specifically for activities, with a streamlined booking panel, traveler-specific pricing, and a real-time date picker to choose their preferred day. No more forcing short experiences into a multi-day format. Just a clean, flexible booking experience designed for the way your activities actually work. Turn any trip into a bookable activity with the Activity Tour booking add-on for WP Travel Engine.